the hidden wing, but when you turn it on, it's just gonna, check that out, dude. Amazing. This is the highest setting, and then you have it at the so-called other sort of settings, the middle one, and then it goes back all the way up if you need to, and then you just close it all the way back down. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. Such a gorgeous car. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are with this gorgeous looking electric solar yellow Lotus Eletre 600. Amazing looking feeling of this car. Of course, by the looks of it, it looks damn fast. It's charging right now with a wall box that is like that. Love the showroom, love the lighting, and then it highlights just how gorgeous the design of this car actually looks, guys. Now we're going to start off with the front before we jump right into the interior of this car. First thing is first, let us observe the amazing, gorgeous looking lights of the front. Now, if you open up the doors, if I'm not mistaken, the car should at least give you some life in terms of the lights. Now, we will turn that on shortly. Yeah, there we go. Let's take a look at the front lights, guys. Amazing appearance of the front. Whew, gorgeous indeed, guys. Check that out. DRLs, amazing looking design. You got the main headlights right underneath, hidden right here. You got this whole black finishing of a gorgeous looking front bumper. You got the opening right here for air to flow through because the car is charging, so it needs to cool down the battery, so it sucks in the air. Gloss black finishing at the bottom right here all the way to the side. Number plate goes right there. You got your front camera locator right here. Love the yellow badging that you guys have for the front of the bumper. You also get some opening right here for air to flow through from the bottom right here. Check that out, airflow all the way from the front goes right in at the top. You get your gloss black finishing for the front hood. Looks fantastic, dude. Now for the wheel side, you get your beautiful gloss black side wheel arch that goes across the whole side of the car. You got your drill disc brakes right there, black brake calipers, Lotus badging right on top. You got your Lotus wording right here, the badging as well. For the center wheel caps, Pirelli tires is what they are using. Tire size 275 40R22. Now these are 22-inch diamond turn grey color wheels. Gorgeous finish, guys. Check that out, dude. Whew. Love it. I love it a lot. So this is a 10-spoke, gorgeous finish, 10-spoke. So you do get your charging right here that's happening on this side. You get some opening right here for air to flow through because of the air that comes in from the front. You got your camera right here, your camera right here and here. Beautiful. Half part of the car is in black. The bottom piece right here is in yellow. Amazing appearance as well. Just love it, man, dude. You get your door handles right here. When you lock it, it just goes right in. You got the side piece right here in this gloss black finish that goes across the rear wheel arch as well. Let's open up the doors and take a look. So amazing appearance like for the interior. Of course, Jasper interior. You get this amazing looking red stitching that goes across here, including the grey stitching right here as well. CAF audio sound system with the red dot right there in the center because it's a Jasper interior, so you get that part in red. You get your gorgeous carbon fiber finishing that is happening all over the place on the side. Beautiful compartment storage right here and grey stitching once again together with the CAF audio sound system over here. So 15 speakers in the car. Double glaze windows is what you guys are getting for this car. Amazing looking interior. Now the seats are covered because it's a brand new car. I'm not going to be sitting in, but you get some red stitching happening all over the place. Love it. Amazing appearance as well, guys. I just love it, man, dude. It's a beautiful design. So red stitching at the dashboard as well. You got the screen right here that displays your radio, your time together with the music that you guys are playing. You can switch it from here as well, or you can just turn it off if you don't wish to see it. Tap it right again to leave it back on. ACBC Anthony Colin Bruce Chapman is the name of the founder. Let's open that up. Glove compartment opens back up. Compartment storage down there with the ambient lighting. Gorgeous finish indeed. You got your cup holder, small size, bigger size. Compartment storage right down there as well. Let's close that. So this right here is in this suede Alcantara finish. Now the Jasper interior for the Eletre, you get the suede finish. You also get the red stitching for this car. If it's a Emiya, you get it only in black stitching, so that's what's different. And over here as well, you get your how to say this, your rear wing that you can actually adjust it to actually open it up from here. So we will do that in a while more. Just leave it at that. I will show it to you guys later on. So gear switches are all right there, and yeah, interior is fantastic. Suede finish all the way at the top as well. So you got your vanity mirror is what you call it. So cool. So open up the doors. For the rear, you get your CAF audio sound system, 15 speakers down here, 15 speakers, beautiful compartment storage down here, carbon fiber finish. You got your red stitching, gorgeous finish as well. You got your window adjustments over here, electronic button to open up the door. This is the manual one. The Electra wording right here for the side plaque. Amazing. Love the space that you guys are getting for a car like this. It's a brand new car, so once again, I'm not going to open it up and sit in, but yeah, just to show you guys, it looks absolutely fantastic, man, dude. Beautiful. Love the tri-color seat belt that you guys are getting with this car. Beautiful interior. Absolutely gorgeous. So winglet, love it. I just love it. Looks absolutely stunning. Check that out. Beautiful. It doesn't have a railing right on top. Very, very sleek and nice. Super cool, man, dude. Okay, so for the rear part, check this out. You got some opening right here for air to flow through, for it to go out on the left and the right. Eletra 600 is the wording right here. Lotus wording in chrome. Your brakes. Amazing. So the rear diffuser in black. Super cool and nice. I love what I see, man, dude. Everything here is just so damn cool. So I'm not going to fold down the seats for this car because it's a brand new car and I'm not going to be touching the seats to fold it. So space, fantastic. This whole shade can actually come off, this whole piece, if you don't wish to have it. It's a very hard finish leather, fantastic. Height of the car can be lowered. You can hang something right here in case you don't want things to be rolling all over the place at the back. You also get other stuff, warning triangle together with your tire repair kit. Beautiful. Love the ACBC logo right there as well. Now we're gonna close the boot down and we're gonna try and show you guys how's the wing. How does the rear wing actually open up? So I'm going to put that up right to number 2 first thing, and check that out, guys. Amazing how the way it just opens up. Beautiful. So this is at your highest speed that you guys are going for. It's going to be opening up like that. So beautiful indeed. If it's all the way down, it's going to be looking even more nicer. So let's open this door up and let's take a nice cover photo for the front. In the meantime, since this is a brand new car, of course the steering is nicely wrapped up. Beautiful design, guys. Amazing indeed. Ambient lighting right there, gloss black finishing right here. Gorgeous finish. Love the accelerator and the brakes in this blacked out finish. Super nice indeed. Super cool, man, dude. Such a gorgeous looking car. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing looking beast. This car is absolutely fantastic, guys. If you ever need to get one, this is the place to be at, all the way here at Lotus Cars Malaysia in Bukit Jelutong. Before that, let's turn on the hazard lights. Side mirror right here. You got the whole DRLs at the top just go away and that will actually blink just like that. So what about the rear? Let's take a look. Amazing indeed how it just waves from left to right. Beautiful finish. I love it. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus Cars, do head down to the showroom here all the way in Glenmary, where you can locate this car or many other gorgeous cars that are lying right outside there. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.